How do you discover what type of job you would love? If you're a graduating high school student or changing jobs, such as military transition to the civilian world, how do you find out what job you will enjoy? An easy-to-use online tool called the ONET Interest Profiler helps you discover jobs you'll enjoy and provides resources for training, education, and job search. The ONET Interest Profiler is a free online assessment tool that helps people explore careers and discover work activities and occupations. It uses the Holland Code or RISAC model. The RISAC model is based on 6 vocational personalities and environments. To take the assessment, go to mynextmove.org. Once you're at the site, click Next through the instructions, then answer how well you would enjoy doing the tasks listed in the 60 questions. Once you are finished, it will provide your RISAC score. You can click on the hyperlink for each score to better understand it. The next step is identifying job zones. You'll be asked about the level of preparation you're willing to undertake or how much education and training you're willing to receive. After selecting your job zone, a list of potential careers is displayed. You can click on a career that interests you and it'll provide details about the job, required knowledge, skills, and abilities. It also provides information on education and training resources and potential salary. Visit nextmove.org to get started in finding a new job you'll love.